Go ahead.
One more time. Listen, I can really sing. Like I don't know what's going on, but I can sing. I can make it. Like, baby girl, you be on my mind. Listen to me, I want you to know. Oh yeah, making love to you. Oh, yeah. Oh. 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 Come on. I can sing. Better R&B singer. I'm coming. Yeah. Shoo-be-doo-be. Shoo-be-doo-be-doo. Oh.
Thank you so much. Go, Kissy.
Hello, it's me. I've been wondering if after all these years you'd like to me to go over everything. They say the time's supposed to heal you, but I ain't done nothing. Hello, how are you? I've been dying to let you know the joys of eating with you.
Oh, you don't know the rest of the song? Kissy, you don't know the rest of the song?
No, ma'am.
Alright. Go.
If I could, I'd like to be a great big movie star.
Overnight sensation. Drive a big expensive car. You might say that all I do is dream my life away. These things I do 'cause I'm stone in love with you. Pause it.
I need a one dance, got a Hennessy in my hands. One more time before I go. I'll probably taking all over me. I need a one dance, got a Hennessy in my hands. One more time before I go. I'll probably taking all over me.
Awesome.
I'm so in love with you. Yeah. Whatever you want from me. Yeah. That's alright with me.
Sing, Rick.
I said, you make me feel so brand new. Yeah. And I said, I just can't wait to spend my life with you. So I said, now let's stay together. Let's stay together. Loving you wherever.
Ever.
And never.
Ever. Good or bad and happy and sad.
Thanks.
Dang, that's good, Rick. Okay, we're gonna.
Okay.
All right. Danny got into it, boy. Let me tell you something.